So welcome back, guys. So let's see the trade update of GBP AUD. Would you look at this? Like, this is a so messy thing, and we are literally avoiding the messy thing. Imagine if I took this trade right, this much above for a whole day yesterday's, and for today whole day we will be fucking in a drawdown for no reason. That is what I'm getting so good in. So good in trading that I'm so sniper entry that if I enter into the market, it should move to the take profit or it should move to the stop loss, like this. No break even, no sideways, no bullshit thing. Directly stop loss or hit the take profit. This is what it is. Why I'm using this fucking shit. So what we are waiting for over here, the exact same thing. Would you? Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold this on. The water got filled. Fuck. Yeah, I'm back. Brother, don't go. If you go, I will see you. No. You go. You probably go, brother, because you don't wanna learn. Okay, I'm fucking overacting. Okay, so now it's fucking sideways. I'm still waiting for the price to break about this lower high. It did technically break about this above this line. This candle have broke above this line, but it was like fraction. So, and you see that it instantly got bearish. For us got bearish. So I'm still waiting for the price to break above this line, then we'll look into taking a trade to the upside. Probably looks like that tomorrow is the day where it is probably is going to break, and day after tomorrow we'll be having the retrace. There is a rule in the forex market, as I have saw. Whatever the moves is going to come, it's come after Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday is like messing around, messing the psychology of the traders who have already entered into the market, and on Wednesday the actual move happens, either stop loss or either take profit, boom, like this. So this is what it is. Let's see the trade update of in the next video. In the next video we'll be looking to trade update of Euro USD.